So, this is the GMMK compact. Dude, I need something to set this up on. So this is the GMMK compact, 61 keys. I just got it, ripped it out, realized I should make a video out of this, and here we are. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our Pro switches, our Kailh Purple Pros. Oh God, there we go. We're gonna put our Kailh Purple Pros in the board. We have our Aura keycaps that you can buy from their website. I would show the box for the Kailh switches, but it's right out of frame where it's blocking this really bright light that shows up right here. More bright than this. So you're just gonna have to bear with me on that. And this is 120. I'm only using 61. I know nothing about keyboards. I didn't know hot swappable was a thing. That looks like more than 60. I'm actually going to turn this back to do this, but the point gets made. There's a keycap puller. There's tabs to raise it. I'm going to raise it while I put these in. But actually, to demonstrate, if you're new, this will work. There's one here. This is the big hole. Feels like sex ed. Then there's this little one down here. And then there's this one. Those pins will need to line up with the pins here. From my understanding, is line the pins up and push down, and that should be all you do a bunch of times. So I've done a bit of reading. That one went in weird. That one didn't feel like the other two. I'm a little paranoid right now. Yeah, it's absolutely fine. I guess you probably should check the pins before you put them in, huh? So I think what we'll do here is we'll just time-lapse this going through. So I did read that it was actually okay to turn this on while hot swapping. Like, so it actually is okay to swap while on. I was really close to pouring out about half. That's 61. So to explain what I recorded or did not record, I put dampeners on the O-rings, or I put dampener O-rings on these, and then I put these on. And recorded none of it. So disappointedly, the only thing left I can even do at this point. Ooh.